Hi, Natalie from Frequency and Food Wellness, sharing with you this beautiful 12-inch pendulum. I think you can see that it's purple, and it is made of amethyst on the chain, amethyst beads, silver accents, and this lovely lavender prism. Isn't she beautiful? So amethyst is a stone of protection, purification, divine connection, and something new I learned, the release of addiction. Today is day 830 for me of being completely free of the bonds of alcoholism. And it has been a wonderful, wonderful journey post-alcohol. So I highly encourage anyone else that's interested in ditching alcohol to do it. Life is so much better without it. Can't tell you how much I've accomplished since I left alcohol behind. So anyways, this beautiful pendulum made of amethyst is ready to go home with somebody, but let's break her in first. So 45-degree swing to give her some momentum. Show us a yes. Okay, I was thinking it faster than I was speaking it, and she was already shifting into yes. Amazing. Beautiful. All right, little momentum. Show us a no. And there she starts to circle with a stop. That is my signature no. And her left to right swing. Oh, it's going pretty good. She's strong today. I like it. So there you have it. If you are ready to start releasing trapped emotions, being free from the bonds of addiction, whatever your addiction may be, maybe she's just what needs to come home with you and help you accomplish those goals. Beautiful amethyst pendulum. Find it at myfrequency.shop. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.